Is your Volkswagen Golf Mk6's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the door latch microswitch and the hood switch. The door latch microswitch signals whether the door is fully closed. Corrosion or wear can cause it to send false open signals, triggering the alarm. Similarly, the hood switch detects if the hood is ajar. Rust or wiring issues can lead to false alarms upon ignition. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes like B1530 for central locking or B1020 for hood switch. Start by inspecting and cleaning these switches. Locate them in the door latch and under the hood, check for corrosion or damage, clean contacts, and test continuity. Replacement microswitches are now more affordable, available from suppliers like ECS Tuning or Europarts. Remember to disconnect the battery before starting any electrical work. If the door and hood switches are fine, the Siren module itself might be the problem. This module, typically located under the hood, can fail due to blown fuses, internal faults, or poor connections. Check the voltage at the Siren's connector with a multimeter. You should see around 12 volts. Blown fuses can cause Siren failure. Inspect and replace if needed. Also, ensure your car's ECU is up to date. A limited recall in 2022 addressed wiring harness issues in some Mk6 models via a software update. If problems persist, try resetting the ECU by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes. For complex issues, consulting a professional is advisable to prevent further damage. Finally, remember to check the grounding to prevent interference.